Locomotive. Locomotive is the word used to describe the very first car of the train. The train has many cars, so the very first car of the train is called the locomotive. The locomotive is gonna have some kinds of tools like this. For example, reflector, lens, all right, are the two most indispensable tools for the trains. The driver of the train is gonna sit at the locomotive, and if the driver wants to see things ahead of the train, the drivers need light, and the light will be created by the reflectors and the lens, and also the all lamps of the train. So how do we find the connection? How do we find the connection, among the all lamps, the reflectors, and the lens at the locomotive? The locomotive will use the all lamps as the tools to create lights for the whole train. So when the train is operated at midnight, so when nighttime comes, the sky will be very dark, and the darkness of the sky will prevent the driver from seeing things ahead of him. So how is it possible for drivers to see things in the ancient times or in the prehistoric period? Here, the train system is gonna use the all lamps, and then we put the all lamps between the reflector and the lens. The all lamp is gonna reflect. The all lamp is gonna throw lots of rays of light into the lens, and the lens, which is positioned in front of the all lamp, is gonna obtain or receive all the rays of light extracted or thrown or casted from the all lamps. After the lens get all the rays of light from the all lamps, the lens are gonna reflect the rays of light to the reflector. And the function of the reflector is that the reflectors are gonna collect all rays of light from the lens, and the reflector will reflect the lights onto the road or onto the railroad and onto both sides of the road. So this is how the area ahead of the locomotive can maintain the light or can maintain the brightness in order for the driver to be able to see things ahead of him. So this is how I use the vocabularies related to the locomotive: the light, the reflection, reflect, reflector, all lamp, lens, nighttime, darkness. Thanks a lot for watching this video. It has been taking lots of my time, but it's worth it, right?